Let's talk about AI and restaurant design industry. Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant and before you even sit down, AI has already played a part in crafting your experience. How, you ask? Well, let me spill the secrets. Artificial intelligence. Hey there, food enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the delicious world where artificial intelligence meets restaurant design. Today's presentation title is AI and Restaurant Design Industry. Buckle up because it's a journey that's changing the way we experience dining. First off, let's talk about menu magic. AI is working behind the scenes to analyze customer preferences, popular trends, and even the weather. Yes, the weather. Ever notice how you crave something hearty on a chilly day? AI does and helps chefs tweak menus to match the vibe outside. Then comes the layout. Ever been to a restaurant and thought, this seating arrangement is perfect? You might have AI to thank for that. Design algorithms consider factors like foot traffic, ambiance preferences, and even social dynamics to create spaces that are both cozy and efficient. Now let's talk about the staff, the backbone of any restaurant. AI is lending a helping hand in staff management, from scheduling shifts to predicting peak hours. This not only ensures smoother operations, but also keeps everyone sane in the fast-paced world of food service. And oh, the kitchen! AI isn't just crunching numbers, it's helping chefs get creative. With recipe suggestion algorithms and ingredient pairing insights, your taste buds might just thank AI for that unexpectedly amazing flavor combination. Now, onto the nitty-gritty customer service. Chatbots powered by AI are becoming the unsung heroes of hospitality. They handle reservations, answer queries, and even personalize recommendations based on your dining history. It's like having a virtual foodie friend. Last but not least, let's raise a glass to efficiency. AI helps in inventory management, reducing waste, and optimizing supply chains. That means fresher ingredients and a happier planet, a win-win. For designers, let's delve deeper into the world of AI and how designers in the restaurant industry can savor the benefits. 1. Menu engineering. Personalized menus. AI can analyze customer preferences and dining histories to create personalized menus. Designers can collaborate with AI systems to present visually appealing and customized menu layouts that cater to individual tastes. Dynamic menu adjustments. AI algorithms can analyze trends and even external factors like weather to suggest modifications to the menu. Designers can work with this dynamic data to create menus that adapt to changing preferences and external conditions, ensuring a fresh and relevant culinary experience. 2. Space optimization. Smart layouts. Designers can utilize AI to optimize restaurant layouts based on factors such as foot traffic patterns, customer behavior, and even social dynamics. This collaboration ensures that the physical space is not just aesthetically pleasing but also functional, maximizing both comfort and efficiency. 3. Staff management. Efficient scheduling. AI can predict peak hours and assist in staff scheduling. Designers can incorporate smart scheduling solutions that ensure the right number of staff members are available during busy times, enhancing overall service efficiency and customer satisfaction. 4. Kitchen creativity. Recipe enhancement. AI can assist chefs by suggesting innovative recipe combinations and flavor profiles based on data analysis. Designers can work with chefs to integrate these creative insights into the kitchen layout, fostering an environment that encourages experimentation and culinary exploration. 5. Customer interaction. Virtual assistants. Designers can incorporate AI-driven chatbots into restaurant websites or apps to enhance customer interaction. These virtual assistants can handle reservations, provide information about the menu, and even offer personalized recommendations, creating a seamless and engaging customer experience. 6. Inventory management. Waste reduction. AI can optimize inventory levels, reducing waste and ensuring a more sustainable operation. Designers can collaborate with AI systems to create efficient storage solutions that align with inventory management practices, promoting cost-effectiveness and environmental responsibility. 7. Data-driven insights. Performance analytics. AI provides valuable data insights into customer preferences, popular dishes, and operational efficiency. Designers can use this data to refine restaurant design strategies continually, adapting to changing trends and optimizing the overall dining experience. In essence, AI becomes a design collaborator, offering insights and tools that empower designers to create not just aesthetically pleasing spaces, but also highly functional and adaptive environments. It's a partnership that enhances the dining experience for both customers and restaurant staff, making every meal a well-designed masterpiece. So there you have it, folks. AI isn't just crunching numbers, it's shaping the very essence of your dining experience. From the menu to the atmosphere, from the kitchen to your table, artificial intelligence is spicing things up in the restaurant design industry. Cheers to the fusion of food and technology. Don't forget to follow us and watch the next presentation, where I am giving more detail about AI benefits in the restaurant design industry. There you have it. Please subscribe, like, and share so you do not miss the next educational design inspiration lessons. Thank you.